What's going on? In the last video, we took a Dell Optiplex and we put an RX 570 and an upgraded power supply into it. So now we have a really respectable gaming computer. However, it can definitely look a little better. I mean, I won't say that this is the worst looking computer, but this is an office computer. So we got two things we're gonna do. First of all, RGB. And we got the MX330 from Cougar. Let's move everything over and see how it goes. So before we transplant the computer parts into the new case, there is just a few proprietary connectors here that we have to deal with. The only one I'm concerned about is the power connector. So take a look here. What I want to figure out with these 5 pins is which two need to connect in order to start the computer. We're just going to test. We're going to jump 2 of these connectors one at a time and see which 2 are the ones that start the computer. There we go. So now we know the top and bottom pins on the right side are the ones that we need to connect the power switch to. Let's take everything apart. There's plastic wrap in behind too.